The charming neighborhoods of Celebration are known for their picturesque homes, tree-lined streets, and warm community atmosphere. Homeowners here take great pride in maintaining properties that reflect both beauty and comfort. One of the most effective ways to refresh and elevate a home's appearance is through new window installation. While windows may seem like a purely functional feature, they play a vital role in defining a home's character and curb appeal. Whether you live in a classic colonial, a cozy cottage, or a modern design, upgrading your windows can dramatically transform how your home looks and feels from the inside out. Instantly refreshing exterior style over time, even the most well-maintained windows can lose their luster. Paint fades, frames crack, and older designs can make a home appear dated. Installing new windows instantly revitalizes your home's exterior, giving it a fresh, polished look that fits seamlessly into Celebration's beautifully maintained neighborhoods. Homeowners today can choose from a variety of styles and materials that enhance different architectural designs. Double-hung windows add timeless charm and suit many of Celebration's traditional-style homes. Casement windows provide a sleek, modern edge for contemporary designs. Bay or bow windows create visual depth and make facades more dynamic. By choosing designs that complement your home's structure and personality, you can create a look that stands out, in the best way, while maintaining harmony with the neighborhood's charm. Brightening interiors and exteriors' curb appeal isn't just about what people see from the street. It's also about how your home feels from the inside. New windows let in more natural light, brightening your interior spaces and creating a welcoming glow that radiates outward. Old or fogged glass can make homes appear dim and tired, while clear, energy-efficient windows allow sunlight to filter through beautifully. From the exterior, that brightness gives your home a clean, vibrant appearance that signals care and quality. In Celebration's sunny climate, this effect is especially striking. Well-placed, expertly installed windows can transform your home into a cheerful, light-filled space that feels as warm as the community itself. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. While aesthetics are a major reason for upgrading your windows, functionality plays an equally important role in maintaining curb appeal. In Celebration's warm and humid environment, energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce reliance on air conditioning. Modern designs feature low E, low emissivity coatings, double-pane glass, and argon gas insulation, which reflect heat while keeping interiors cool and comfortable. This means your windows not only look great, they also perform efficiently, helping you save on energy costs. A well-maintained, energy-efficient home also contributes to the neighborhood's overall appeal, showing pride of ownership and environmental awareness, both valued qualities in Celebration's close-knit community. Custom finishes that reflect personal style. One of the best aspects of modern window installation is the range of customization available. Homeowners can choose frame colors, grid patterns, and hardware finishes that match or enhance their home's aesthetic. For example, white or cream-colored frames maintain a classic Southern charm. Dark frames add a bold, contemporary touch. Decorative grids offer a traditional, elegant look for heritage-style homes. When professionally installed, these details come together to create a cohesive, eye-catching design that reflects your personal taste while complementing Celebration's architectural diversity. Increasing property value and buyer appeal. New window installation isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's also a smart investment. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are more appealing to potential buyers and can increase property value significantly. Curb appeal plays a major role in first impressions, and windows are often one of the first things buyers notice. Clean lines, modern materials, and sparkling glass signal a well-cared-for home that's both attractive and efficient, qualities that add confidence and desirability in any market. Partnering with local experts for lasting results. To ensure your new windows deliver lasting beauty and performance, professional installation is key. Local experts in Celebration understand the area's architectural trends, homeowners association guidelines, and humid climate conditions. They'll help you choose materials and designs that resist moisture, reduce heat transfer, and maintain their elegance for years. When installed with precision, new windows fit perfectly, seal tightly, and perform efficiently, providing a flawless finish that enhances both curb appeal and comfort. Final thoughts in celebration. Where every neighborhood tells a story of community pride and timeless design, new window installation offers one of the most impactful ways to elevate your home. From boosting visual charm to improving comfort and efficiency, new windows make your home look brighter, fresher, and more inviting. By partnering with trusted local professionals, you can enjoy windows that not only transform your home's appearance but also reflect the beauty and warmth that define life in celebration.